Go.
Hello everyone,
Hello.
welcome to my channel. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the notification button and enjoy the video.
Yeah, we're about to make an airplane. You've been doing a lot of airplane videos lately.
But I didn't know that my mother just made this.
Yes, I did. So we're gonna try it together. So the first thing is to fold your paper in half like that.
I can try that.
But you're folding it the wrong way.
Oops.
You're gonna fold it like this. This way.
Sorry for
So make
doing
sure
that.
it's all straight.
I can only capture this plane.
Oh, you like that
In a
one?
cage.
Oh, you're gonna cage it. That is so wrong. All right, ready. So make sure it's all creased up. Let's give it a nice, crease right there. So then let's open it. Okay, so
Nice.
now we're gonna fold. So we're gonna leave a little bit down here, like about this much, right?
Am I going the wrong way?
No, yeah, you're fine. But you're gonna leave, when you fold it over, you're gonna leave about that. So crease now. You can fold it. Make sure it's not all the way down.
Oh, now I
So
get
about
it.
that, right? Now crease it along there. Ah, that's what we're gonna have to do. All right, so make sure you're creased along there. What does that say? Kong salad. Oh, I'm using recipe paper. I hope nobody does this for that. Okay, so let's see. Oh, remember you have to be, everything has to be in line. So, okay, we're good, right? All right, so let's open this now. Remember we have that crease right there. So we're gonna use,
I have my creases.
okay, so now hold the end of your paper. And we're gonna fold right to that first crease that you make. No. Fold. So we're gonna fold it like that, and make sure you meet the crease that you just made. Fold it like that. Right, and crease that. Oh, you are so off. You have to follow the lines, Daniel. So there you go. Okay,
Thank you.
that's great. All right, and then you're gonna fold again. Yeah, that's cool. That's it. Perfect.
What should I do then?
Now, what we want to do is we're going to fold. Okay, so let's crease this again. So fold this over.
Okay.
Remember the lines are already there. No, you're not doing a good job. You're not following the instruction really well. All right, so you're all
sorry for
lined up.
not doing that.
You have to follow the instruction, bro. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so you open up your paper. All right. Now we're gonna fold. See, okay, remember our middle line right there? We hold the edge. Where's the edge right here? So pull that over. Pull that over like so. I'm gonna crease again. Make sure it meets in the center right there, and you're gonna crease. Make sure it's nice and creased. All right, so you're gonna do the same with the other side,
The other.
which is this side. We're gonna fold that over and crease. So we're gonna fold that over.
I don't know how to do it because.
Ooh, this is some pretty paper. Should make some pretty planes. You're gonna meet in the center right there. So you're going to fold. There you go, right in the center.
Thanks a lot, mommy.
No problem. All right.
No problem.
So then you're gonna open this now, but this time when you fold, you're gonna fold from this end. So you're gonna make
I don't know.
a fold, but you're gonna follow this line right here, and we're gonna fold it here.
I don't know where is the line on my plane.
There you go. That's where you're gonna make that
This is
crease.
gonna be hard. What if I
No,
make
it's not. It's not at all. Okay.
And this is
So
gonna be
here
hard.
okay, so this is where we are, right? This time, what you want to do is you fold.
Oh, oops.
you fold from this end, right like that. And we're going to go to the other side and we're going to fold from this end, like that. You see that?
I don't know how.
Alright, so what you want to do now, so you have your fold right here and you have your fold right
You're not
here.
folding a paper plate.
So what you want to do is tuck these two parts. You're going to tuck them under. See that?
You're helping me?
And you're going to tuck this end, you're going to tuck it under. See that? Ooh.
Thanks for your help.
So see, like it's really coming together. So let me finish mine. I have to fold this side right here.
It's becoming great.
We're almost there. We're almost finished. It's quick and easy. Very easy.
It's hard for me though. What if I make
Why?
What if I make my paper plate wrong?
We'll see. We'll see if it can fly. Then we know we didn't go wrong. All right. So now, see that? But now you want to tuck this edge under this part right here. Don't fold it yet. Don't fold it yet. Fold this edge under.
I don't know how to do it.
Ooh, nice. I love how this plane is coming together. So we got what we're gonna. Okay, that looks good to you. Ooh.
Those look like cars though.
So you're gonna fold your plane like this. Remember, we have that center half, so we have to fold it along that crease, that line. There you go. How we do it the other way? I think it's under petition.
Anti-petition.
All right, so here we have, see that? And fold to that line up there. So let's go down there. We're gonna crease that. Can you do that?
I don't know.
All right, so this is what you're gonna do. So fold your plane. Look at what you're doing, right? And just fold it to meet that line right there. Look at that. Look at that. You got it?
I got it.
All right, so we both got it, right?
Even though.
So let's go on the other side.
Even though.
Finish, you soon finish. So let's go to the other side. We're gonna do the same thing. Make a fold. And we meet the line on there. And you crease all the way down. Look at that. Oops, that's not. Yeah, okay. Now our plane is finished.
My plane?
Yes. You just gotta crease that a little more. Look at
What?
that. Ooh. That's a beautiful, fruity
Plane.
Yeah, nice and colorful.
But can you fix my plane for me?
Oh, let's finish up yours and let's see what happens. So we fold that side already. So we want to turn this over. You want to make a fold right there. Look at that. Bring it over, bring it over, bring it over, bring it over. Make sure it meets along the same line. And then you're going to crease.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thanks a lot.
Look at that. Our planes are finished.
Nice.
Nice. Let's see if we can crash into mine. Let's crash.
Oh!
All right, and there you have it. Now let's go test these and see if they actually work. You're gonna uncage it. So we have 3 planes. Let's go outside and see if it works. Thank you for coming. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the notification. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!